Hello friends, this is a video for encoder replacement and installation procedure in IGD10 machine. So first of all, this is the tools list. This is the encoder for geared machine. This is 2mm Allen key. This is screwdriver. So this is the screwdriver set and this is the hammer. Now we'll be starting the geared machine encoder installation procedure. Firstly, we'll remove the encoder cap using screwdriver. This process is common in all geared machines. Now we have removed the encoder cap and we'll remove the lock nut on the shaft. Once the lock nut along with the washer is removed, we'll clean the shaft to ensure any impurities. And we'll install the 30mm encoder in our shaft. Firstly, we'll match it with our keyway. Now we'll be installing the encoder. We'll push it inside by hand. So we'll use the hammer. Once the encoder is in its position, we will match the bracket and install the screws. So then we'll have to tighten all the 3 Allen keys. Now we'll install the washer. We'll match the groove and install the washer. And then we'll install the lock nut. We'll have to rotate the lock nut until it is completely tightened. So once the position of the lock nut is confirmed in the slot, we'll close the washer in the slot of the lock nut using 2mm Allen key. And then we'll tighten all the 3 Allen key bolts on the encoder. Okay. And here, hence the encoder is completely installed in our machine. Now we'll reinstall the encoder cap. Okay, and we have installed the encoder cap also completely by tightening all the screws. We can use this machine along with the encoder. And this process is common for all geared machines. Thank you.